Oh, that water got warm. Thursday, June 26th, Seaside Park Ocean updates. Water temperature, warmest temperature of the year by far, 70.5 degrees. Waves are looking 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5 foot right now. But building, definitely building swell. Should be shoulder high by tomorrow, hopefully. Northeast wind on it this morning. Forecast to stay northeast for the next 3-4 days. Yeah, no more heat waves. So you got air temperatures in the 70s, water temperature in the 70s. No south wind to hold the water temperatures down. Possibly some sea glass action. All right, out the back. Yeah, that's thigh high. Yeah, look for building swell today. That's the update. Hope everybody has a great Thursday.